Hello, I'm Martin Compton and I'm here with Emma Kennedy, and we're introducing the topic on learning theories, the first of two topics that deal with learning theories. And we're using Screencastify, which is a tool that enables you to see everything that's on my computer screen while I'm talking. Now, this is Emma's topic, so I'm going to be asking her a couple of questions to see if I can get some clarity and understand exactly how the topic is going to be approached. Emma, can you tell me broadly what this topic will encompass?
Thanks, Martin. That's a really good question. This topic's going to be about theories of learning. So learning is a huge thing. So it's going to be about how different people have tried to capture or theorize or understand learning.
Okay, so I've heard that there are sort of one or two or three theories, and I'm looking at this on the screen. There seems to be hundreds of them.
Yeah, that's absolutely correct. So that's why we're not going to teach you, these are the three key theories, because the beauty of teaching this course is that you all come from such different backgrounds, and we're looking at so many possible different theories. This is a chance for us to show you a general kind of maybe a roadmap or maybe a pick and mix of different theories. And then you can judge for yourself. You can critique theories. You can choose ones you think, yeah, I'm really going to attack that because it doesn't work for me. Or you can say, actually, this is a really interesting way of looking at my discipline. So it's really about showing you what's out there.
So theories are about ways in which people learn, but also about ways in which we can approach teaching.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, and as I can see from this screen, and as you've already said, there are hundreds of these things. So you're not going to be teaching us any of these theories then? How are we going to organise it?
That's a really good question. There's a lot of different ways that you can organise it. So again, we've picked 11 for the Pecha topic, so you have some kind of clarity on what you're going to look at there, and on your handout. That's a PDF in Moodle. You'll be able to see a little bit about each one, so that'll get you started. But actually, there are different ways that people have tried to classify theories, and we don't want to kind of tie you into one way. So you can classify as Hotels' learning theory map does by the kind of academic discipline. So philosophers, designers, psychologists have theorized learning. You could classify it in terms of frameworks. You could, using kind of what InFed, the Informal Education website, has done, and this is a really good page. You might want to pause this and write down the URL. If you want to look at it further, different kinds of learning. So thinking about learning, is it a change in behaviour? Is it a change in results? Is it a change in how students think? Is it internal? How do we evidence changes in learning? Or you might look at whether something is a theory, a framework, whether it's based on data, whether it's based on observation, or whether it's just somebody kind of, as Paulo Freire does, thinking more philosophically from his broader experience. All these different ways.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, so that makes sense to me. So we're putting the effort, the onus onto our colleagues, our students, and they're going to be reporting back to one another through the Pecha about one broad theory or in some cases, more narrow theories or approaches to learning. Excellent.
That's correct.
Thank you very much.